Okay guys, today we're gonna make a quick video, and we went on a road call. We had a international with fuel pressure sensor problem. The guy made a video after we figured it out, and he said, hey, can I make a video? He goes, I'll make the video, and he wants to post it. So I'm like, whatever, go ahead and do it. But anyway, what it is, it's one of these devices. This one is actually no good no more. And I got it from Matco, and Matco replaced it with a newer one, which is that one. So what does this do? Well, what it does, it varies the voltage from wherever you want it to wherever you want to take it. So the reason you do this is if you're working on a 3-wire sensor, or if you understand the circuit and you're able to see on your laptop the reading, right? If you disconnect the sensor, it might show 0 volts, or it might show full voltage, depending on how it's programmed or whatever. But anyway, what I want to do is, you're going to see right here, let me see if I got wires everywhere, because I want to just quickly just show you guys how this works. So let's see if we can make it happen. So what you do is, you can go ahead and you can mess with the voltage, right? So in this particular case that we were doing, we determined that the problem was they were missing a ground. So once we figured that out, we went ahead and we substituted the ground. We went with the lead, which these things, the thing I like about them is you can go right to it, right? It's got banana jacks. So what we did is we went and we got an external ground from the frame, and then we were able to get the voltage because we were using this, right? We were using this to control the voltage, and you can move it wherever you want, right? You can go all the way up high, 12 volts or whatever. And so we were down, and we could manipulate the voltage. Once we determined that the ground was the failure, we went ahead and we went from the ground pin location at the sensor to the ECM pin, which we knew where it was on the international because we had a schematic. But I'm just going to tell you, if you don't have one of these, this is the old style. This is the new one. Pyrometer, potentiometer, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it comes in a kit. Most of the ASC Wave, they have the kit where it'll come with it with all the different test leads, so you can plug in and you can back probe. But it's really neat because you can eliminate, like when you get a short to ground, or if you get an open circuit with this particular tool right here, you can go ahead and you can, of course, don't quote me on it, but usually the blue is your signal or your voltage that's varying. Your ground is a ground, and then your hot is your hot. You know what I mean? So like right here, we're right to the battery. So with the voltmeter, we can go ahead and we can predetermine what the voltage is before we connect it to this, like say the signal wire, right? So like, let's say we want to go and we go 334, we go into the signal wire. Well, the ECM should see 334. And it's pretty simple, guys. If you lose your hot, you substitute it and you eliminate your harness and you eliminate your ECM. Now, in this case, we kind of suspected the ground was bad when we went to an external ground, and we were able to get the ECM to see the output. We could measure it. We could see the output, and we could see the ECM collaborating. We knew that the signal wire was good, the ECM was good because it was seeing it. And then of course we knew, because we were using the reference wire through the harness, out of the ECM through the harness to the sensor, we knew that was good. So the only thing that was in question was the ground. So as we started digging around, we found that the ECM was extremely loose. It was dancing around. And then as you would move the harness, you could get the ground to come and go. It was intermittent, so the harness was damaged. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It's just one of these things. If you don't have one of these, I'll tell you what, diagnosing 3-wire sensors or reference wire sensors, Cummins is real big on that. If it's a smart device, that works totally different. I'll talk about a smart device. I'll try to find a outlet knocks, and we'll talk about smart devices and how they work. But anyway, quick video. Thanks for watching. Hey, leave a comment.